Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in today's film, it's a drone film, but I'm going to tell you what we're seeing because there's a lot to see basically. We're starting off at the Municipal Park. We've just gone over the new monument to Greek independence. We're in Old Town Paphos, I should say, and we're just coming up to the town hall. That's that red roofed building you can just see below centre. And on the other side of what's October 28 Square is the rather nice looking library. And you've got the new Museum of Documentation coming into play on the right there, which is going to be a lot more interesting than that description sounds. The Museum of Documentation is basically the history of Paphos. And then you've got Kennedy Square after it. And on the top right, you can just see a blue wave-shaped mural. That's called Waveform by Bain and Pest, and that's one of the best murals in Old Town, and probably going to be one of the most long-lasting ones, because I doubt anyone's going to be painting over that one anytime soon, just because of its location. And you got Macarius walkway just on the left, going out of a picture, and the funny yellow building you can see in the topish left. That's Pumpkin House, believe it or not. Well, Evie will be in part of that anyway, not the whole lot. And you've got Markadeo Theatre at the top right. And then you've got the bus station mid-centre. Now coming in on the left, you can see the big wheel of Chernobyl, which is a lovely mural for the Chernobyl bar. And to the right of that is Ibrahim's Khan. You can just make out part of the awnings and shades that they have. And you can also see the new roof they got on the Old Town Market, which has reopened now. They had a big do for that on Saturday. And now Cafe Nero is coming into view. And there's the Ottoman baths below it to its right. And now we're going over some of the more industrial parts of Old Town. But the main church will come into view now. And after that you will have, in a minute, the Ivis Maliotou Park. He renovated that a couple of years ago now. And it looks lovely. And beyond the Ivis Maliotou is the Muse restaurant. You can just see that in the top right, at the top of the hill. There's a hotel in front of it there. And from here we'll be flying back towards October 28 Square and the Municipal Park. On the left, just coming into focus, is not focus, view, is the restaurant that burned down partially, just there. You can see they're obviously making efforts to rebuild that. That happened last year. And you've got town halls on the right now. And there's another look at Paphos Documentation Museum. That should hopefully be finishing later in this year. So anyway, there's a nice little flyby of Old Town. See some of the old favourites from above. And we'll just come around to get a little bit of a sea view to finish with. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next film. Cheers!